Okay, so this time let's create a pistol, one balloon pistol. Okay, let me show you the first step. Of course, you need to inflate a balloon like this size with 4 to 5 inch allowance. Now, make a tulip twist here. Just like that. Secondly, leave let's say 7 inches bubble here, just like that, and make a small loop here, and make let's say 4 or 5 inch bubble here, and create another 4 or 5 inch bubble here, and that's it. Now after that, you need to put this here, through this small loop that we created earlier. So this is our pistol. Yeah, pistol.